Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can withdraw money from Bovada to Cash App, so make sure you follow along. First, you have to log into Bovada. You want to open up the Bovada website or app and sign into your account. Now, once you've signed in, you will go to withdraw. You want to tap cashier and then select withdraw. The third step will be choosing Bitcoin or the crypto option. Bovada mainly sends money through Bitcoin or crypto. You want to select Bitcoin as your withdrawal method. The fourth step will be getting your Cash App Bitcoin address. You want to open up Cash App, go to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin section, and you will copy your Bitcoin wallet address. The fifth step is pasting and confirming. You will go back to Bovada and there you want to paste your Cash App Bitcoin address. And also you will enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Then all you have to do is wait for processing. Bovada usually sends Bitcoin within 1 hour. Sometimes it can take longer. Once received in Cash App, you'll see it in your Bitcoin balance. And all you have to do is convert it to cash. In Cash App, you will sell your Bitcoin for US dollars. The money will go directly into your Cash App balance, and from there you can spend with Cash Card or transfer to a bank. I hope this helps you out and answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.